I'm not a lover of these, to be honest. Same on this side. Oh, bollocks. Oh well. I'll give that a miss. I won't recommend these from Amazon. Don't waste your money. Look, this is the Amazon ones. Particularly, don't waste your money on them. Look, I'm not being funny, but I don't think it's chalk for cheese, is it? Look at the difference between them two. And look, I mean, that just snapped off. So there to say, don't waste your money on Amazon, okay? If you want a proper quality part, that's what I'm looking for. That's the replacement. But that's the whole point. As a YouTuber, we see if this does work. And I can honestly say, that snaps straight off. This is not going to snap straight off. Okay? But these things, look, I will show you. And I'm not pissing about, really, at this. But it looks as though it's cheap. That, to me, is for a bloody lawnmower. Okay? Don't use it in your cars. The manufacturer of this claims it's for cars. This is not for cars. Okay? So don't waste your money on that rubbish. Snapped that easy. And under heat conditions, not the sort of thing I want in my engine bay.